I was just 27 years old and my husband was only 31 when we started planning for a baby. But fate had decided the drama for us before we can enjoy the parenthood with two smart boys. We had just moved to Germany and have gone through two failed IVF cycles without understanding why we are going through this costly procedure and paying 4 lakh per attempt. Soon, we ran out of cash and lost the hope to fulfill our dream. I stopped talking to my friends and family, and the dark side of life started. We wanted to come out of our monotonous and robotic life. The only way was to get a baby. Not able to conceive started impacting my work life. Life has lost the meaning. Slowly, we started avoiding the topic. But it's like this. You can quit the problem, but the problem never quits on you. We decided to fight back. The only doubt we both had was, if we cannot control the situation and the situation is controlling us, how would we fight back? My education from IIT made me think why numbers and science is not working when we both are healthy. I dived deep in the system and I realized that hospital runs like a corporate, and the bottom line for them is to make money and fight against the competition by proving their success is better than others. And do you know when their success is better? When they treat young couples, not old couples. We trusted doctors thinking that they are concerned about us. But later we realized that we are just a customer to them who can pay them at least 3 times. Then why should they make us pregnant in the first shot itself? There is no reason for this. Here is how it works for them. The main revenue source for doctors is referral money. More the tests they can prescribe, the more money they can make. We were also biased towards the success rate of the hospital. But then we realized that the success rate does not depend on the hospital. Ask me why? So here is a short story. If you ask a kite which is flying you, man will say, it's me. The rope will say, it's me. The wind will say, it's me. And the kite will say, it's me. We are in the same situation. It's me and my spouse's body, doctor's hands, instruments used, day, night, office stress, home stress, news what we watched, and day of ovulation and medication we take after insemination. Trust me, sperm does not care if Dr. Reddy or Dr. Sharma or Dr. Modi have left them in the uterus. It does its job once it reaches the uterus on its own. If doctors take the credit for success, where do they disappear when the cycle fails? Think about this. Soon after 2 years of try, we got 2 boys, one after the other, in the gap of 18 months. We felt the pain and decided to devote the rest of our life helping and supporting couples who are trying to conceive, and somehow they are misguided by the system. By no means I want to say all doctors are corrupt. It was just our experience. We did find doctors from AIMS and Germany who helped us developing the home insemination kit, We Conceive, which also allows couples to conceive without visiting doctors, at home for privacy and comfort. Want to know more about how we succeeded?